Hi everyone, Deanna here at Abbey Auto Sales, and we're getting ready for our income tax time sale here at the dealership. Are you looking for a family-friendly car, truck, or SUV? Something that can fit all the kids with lots of ample room left over? Take a look at this gorgeous and pretty rare Honda Crosstour right here at Abbey Auto Sales in Port Richey. This is a 2011 Honda Crosstour. This crossover vehicle has all the room you're looking for, with premium black leather interior. The outside is a pristine white exterior, sharp alloy wheels with like new tires. This is the EXL model with the sunroof with only 77,000 miles. Fuel efficient, reliable, this Crosstour has everything you are looking for your next car. We can finance here at the dealership. When you get your income taxes, come in and put as low as $1,000 down for your next vehicle. If you're looking for a different color, a different size, stop in. We have right now almost 50 vehicles to choose from years 2000 all the way up to a brand new 2017s. Stop in here for a great selection of premium, pre-owned cars, trucks, SUVs, and minivans. Prices starting as low as $2,500, and we have cars on our lot with only 1,000 miles. Abbey Auto Sales here on US 19 in Port Richey. Come see me for your next vehicle. You will not be disappointed. Deanna with Abbey Auto Sales. Make it a great day.